Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 29 January and my video topic is method overloading. What is the method overloading? In method overloading, the method name is same but a different parameter. That is called the method overloading. Why? First of all, understand why we use the method overloading. When in a big project there are several number of methods, but they use a different type of parameters, and the method are name are changes drastically. They confuse the developer which method we can use. That's why the method overloading is a use is advantage of it is advantage to use the same method, but that in method create a different type of parameters that are confusion of the developer we are reduced by using the method overloading. Understand the method overloading, rule of method overloading. The first one of us method name will be same. Method name will be same. For example, a class is ABCD. In a class is in a class there are one method int add and parameters will be int a and b, and another method the similar method add method, but the parameter will be c and d. Both the method they are method name is set, but they are different parameters. Second rule is different parameters are use a method overloading. The parameter different parameter are used in method overloading are classified into the parameter with same data type, parameter with different data type, and the in order data type. First one use the parameter parameter with the same data type in different method. The in a different method but same method name, they use the same data type used in the both the method. That is called example is class one class, and the method will be add and the parameter with integer a and integer b, and another class that is a method another method that is add method with parameter will be integer a and integer b. In the both method the parameter of the in the both method the parameter will be same, both are integer. In second example is another class, the method will be add the integer. First method you use the integer parameter, and the second method to use the double. Both the method they use a different data type, was integer and another is a double. And third type of the parameters are used, they are in order parameters are used in a method overloading. Just like first example class, in class the method is add. One is a int data type used, and another is a double data type used, and another class same name, another method with same name. Similarly, they are first one is a double parameter but double data type used, and another is an integer. Both are different order, very different order parameter will be used in a method. And third rule of the method overloading is return type. in return type, they are used in a method overloading use the same or other. They are also classified into three types. Return type with the same data type, return type with the different data types, and return type with the in order data type. First example with the return type with the same data type. In in class there are two methods, add and another is add. In the class they return the a plus b with the integer data type the integer, and another class also return the a plus b with the integer data type. Both are the in the method they use the same return type. In other example, other type of the return type of method overloading is the different return type are used in the method overloading. The first one is return to the integer, and another is return to the double data type. There are and also third type of the method overloading return type with the in order return type. First one is the method first data type parameter in first parameter of the is integer, and other parameter of the same method is a double, and also another method first parameter will be double and other will be the integer. They are the different in order data type are used in the return. These are the example of the return type are used in the method overloading. And fourth one is rule is the use access modifier are generally use the same access modifier, not use a protected access modifier used in the method overloading. They can access easily. These are all the example of the method overloading. The method overloading has various advantage. They can reduce the time to access the various type of method with different parameters. Confusion of the less, because method will be same, and they can easily access and there are the several example and advantage of the method overloading. Thank you.